show you how to set up this sound card. Earphone got built-in battery. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Instrument means that this is a cheapest sound card that I bought online. The version is V8. Today I'm going to show you how to set up this sound card. Okay, it comes with this device and 3 cable. This cable with USB port is for power, and the rest of 2, same. So before that, we have to plug in this speaker. Here you can see here, okay, live 1, live 2, okay, accompany instrument, charging, earphone, headset, okay, condenser mic and dynamic mic. So now we need a speaker first. So the speaker, this is a speaker connector. I plug in here. If you want to use earphone, you also can plug here or here. So I use speaker, I plug it here. Okay, and then I need a mic. Okay, the mic, I can use this condenser mic. Okay, I plug in here. And then if you want to charge this is a micro USB, then we connect to this charging, because this V8 got built-in battery. Now our power is on. Okay, so you want to charge it and use right away also can. So this is USB cable for charging the battery. Okay, at the moment I don't need it, I leave it here. And this one, okay, now we want to do live. Okay, so want to do live, of course you have to connect to here. Live 1, you have the 2 phone to do live, then you can connect another one here. So I connect here, and straight away I can connect to my phone. Okay, right now I'm not going to do live now, so we want to test that is it everything, the output sound, everything okay or not. So now we go through this speaker. To test. Okay, and another cable here. Okay, we can put it as a instrument, means that, okay, I plug in here, instrument here. Okay, I use another phone, or I can use another phone or other MP3 player to play sound. Okay. Okay, now it's come out here. Let's skip. So whatever playback on this YouTube or any MP3 player, you will go through this speaker. Will go through this sound card. Okay, now we're going to test the mic. Okay, now we turn it to here. Then you already know that this is a live 1, live 2, and accessory instrument. This is a charging if you want to charge it, and this one is for the speaker. Okay, and this is a headphone. Okay, and this is a mic. So we test the mic. So before we go to live, we can test is it everything okay or not. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay, now I test one by one. Laugh. Grab. Pay attention. Kiss. Song 2. Cheers. Embarrass. Cry. Express.
I like it, I love it, I want some
Kiss. Okay. So everything, this one you can control, and this one can control the echo. Hello, testing. Hello, testing, testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Hello, and you can control mic. And don't forget, go near to the speaker and control. because they come up this the sound. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Yeah, okay. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Okay. So we want to test one by one of this. You can try it by yourself. Right now, I just simply test it.
Signature.
Hello, 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 testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Hello, hello, testing 1 2 3. 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 Hello, 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 testing, testing. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3. So all this you can control yourself, and the music here is from here. Okay, you want to volume down, you can control here, and also you can also do a recording. Yeah, and want to charge it, so yeah, charging is here. You just charge like this, and want to switch off, press hold it, off power. Okay, on again, press and hold. I got 3 seconds. Now power is on. Yeah. Okay. This is a simple setup that I can tell you. Okay, right now, if you want to start your live, your TikTok live or YouTube live, okay, now you can plug into this here, the live number 1, okay, and from here, you connect to your phone. And if you do want to use this instrument, okay, to play back on this another phone, okay, you can just unplug it. Yeah. Okay, there is. Thank you. Bye bye.